Hello everybody. Today we're going to be unboxing and going over the uses of the Ion Faucet Pro Pump system. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up very carefully, just like so. Now I'm going to go over through some of these details with you guys as I unbox it. Okay, so this cleaning system is engineered to work to be chemical resistant and resistant to any descaling solution that you may pick. Now, it's highly recommended that you do not use a regular aquarium tank or any other pump that is not chemical resistant, because those seals can come apart and work their way into your machine. So this guy was engineered to work with and clean ionizer machines. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and proceed to plug this guy in. Make sure that your ionizer is disconnected. Now, first thing we're gonna do is make sure that you remove the filter to your ionizer machine. And you put in its bypass. Now, the pump is going to come with this connection right here. Once you detach the water supply, you sleeve this right into there, like so, nice and tight, just like that. On the pump, you have this connection. We're going to make sure we're going to be feeding the solution into the machine. Now, we're going to go ahead and fill this up with water today, but when you do your cleaning, you can use the descaler of your choice. But for today, we will use water. We're going to fill it up about 95% full. Now, we're going to put its cover back on, the splash guard. We're going to insert the top hose. Now we have the alkaline hose, now we have the acidic hose in the pump. Very important that we throttle down. This is gonna control the volume of water through the machine. We don't ever start this engaged 100%. That's open 100%, that's closed 100%. So we're gonna go right about 50. Make sure that the water in the pump tank doesn't go below this. We don't want it to run dry. Okay, so keep the water ready to go in case you have to fill it up. Now, we're totally connected. We're gonna click the on button. Okay, 0 is off, 1 is on. Get this guy going. It's gonna bubble a little bit as it gets the air out of the system. I'm gonna check, make sure it's flowing. Open a little bit more. You can see the water starts to go down a little bit. There we go. So now it's completely flowing through the machine. The solution you pick now is going into the machine, out the top and out the bottom. It's going to circulate and clean your machine. The recommended time to clean your ionizer is 30 to 45 minutes of just letting it run. Notes to take here. If your machine is clogged up, if you notice no water coming out the top, then you really want to be careful to make sure you reduce this pressure and let the solution do all the work. Don't try to force it, because it may cause some damage to the machine. So you want to ease it up a little bit, just like so. That's what this is for, to control the speed of the water. So now we are back after about 45 minutes. Click the power off. Let the pump continue to run until it's done. We're gonna get this bottom hose, this top hose into the sink. The solution will start to drain. This is totally normal. Take the splash guard off, top off, and then you're going to go ahead and real carefully drain the tank into the sink. At this point, what we're gonna do is we're gonna get more water and we're gonna flush the tank. Just because it's chemical resistant doesn't mean we don't want to clean it. So we're going to fill this up with water. As it passes that black rubber seal, we're going to turn the water on. just so that it can flush the tank. So we want to make sure this just gets to the very top here, and then we can shut it off. At this point, the system is cleaned. You want to go ahead and disconnect this, disconnect the small adapter from the hose, and reconnect this to its original water supply and flush your ionizer out. And then after about 15 minutes, it'll be completely ready to roll.